India's most fuel-efficient CNG premium hatchback. India's largest automaker Maruti Suzuki is known for cars that aren't just eye-catching and delightfully fun to drive but are also feature-rich, spacious, powerful and efficient. One of the best-selling and immensely popular hatchbacks since its introduction in the Indian market, the Swift, is the flag-bearer of these attributes. Always delivering sky-high, be it in its style quotient or its ability to satiate thrill-seekers, the Swift is a hatchback with limitless goodness. This bold and sporty segment leader is now up for painting the town green thanks to the introduction of a new S-CNG option. In fact, even as the Swift continues to focus on performance at its core, it has now established itself as India's most fuel-efficient premium CNG hatchback. Having garnered a reputation for being a fun, exciting hatchback, its massive young gen fanbase certainly attests to its appealing design and driving thrills. The S-CNG option is definitely going to make it more popular than ever before. Its low-slung stance and modern design make the sportier Swift S-CNG stand out from the crowd. The dark, hexagonal grille, angular headlights, sharp tail lights, snazzy alloy wheels and vibrant paint options complement its presence further. All in all, the Swift sports a youthful and attractive design language that makes it top the wish list of those seeking to make a style statement. Step inside and you'll find the same edginess. The Swift CNG has a spacious and tech-laden cabin that's definitely sporty in flavor. Available in two trims, VXI and CXI, the Swift gets a host of appealing features, including steering-mounted audio and calling controls, a sporty flat-bottom steering wheel, 17.78 cm touchscreen infotainment system, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, engine start/stop switch and 60/40 split rear seat. What's most appealing about the Swift, though, is that its thrills have never been just skin-deep. Continuing on that theme, the Swift CNG is also India's most powerful CNG hatchback. Powered by the widely acclaimed Kaise Series 1.2-liter, dual-jet dual VVT, inline-4, naturally aspirated petrol engine, in S-CNG guise, this motor produces a best-in-class 77.49 PS at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 98.5 Nm of torque at 4,300 revolutions per minute. With this, the Swift S-CNG gives out an impressive 30.90 km per kilogram fuel economy. Maruti Suzuki has bestowed it with dual interdependent electronic control units, ECU, and an intelligent injection system with an improved air-fuel ratio, resulting in superior performance and mileage, the best of both worlds. The Swift S-CNG truly lives up to its reputation as a limitless, ever-thrilling and timelessly stylish hatchback. The lower running costs are only a bonus. Be it your everyday commute or those awesome fun weekend trips with friends, the Swift S-CNG is just the right proposition for customers looking for a peppy yet economical city drive.